Here's how you hopefully you're fine. This is non-repainted algo giving you accuracy around 77 you can say 80% accuracy. But wait, there is something very important. What is in out of 80 trades it's giving you 80% and your total profit and loss is showing here. Okay, but wait, I have something very interesting for you. And what is that? If we will use second indicator with first indicator, then you will get accuracy around 90%. How how we have to discuss, but before we have to discuss this indicator 5 to 7 minutes later. But there is very important thing and I have to show you this one. This was the most recent trade in this. Actually it's a for the binary option trading. Okay, for only 1 minute time frame it is giving you accuracy around 78%. Okay, you can see 78%, you can see 80% accuracy. But I have think, let me show you results in some other pairs. Like in this pair you are getting accuracy around 88-90% accuracy. Okay, and GPB JPY, let's see, 85% in GPB, uh, GPB USD, 86% accuracy, and USD CAD, 70% accuracy. Okay, here you can see this is the most accurate system you will get ever. Here 83% accuracy. And how it is working, let me show you. And there is one more important thing here. This is MT4. The previous one was for the binary option, but this is for you can use in 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute, 30 minute, even you can use in all time frame. Okay, actually the simple this indicator. Okay, this indicator is available free of cost available. Only this one band, the band indicator is free of cost available on TradingView, but the remaining indicators are not available on free of cost. These are my indicators. And how it is working, let me show you. Here you can see this is the arrow signal. When you got the arrow signal, you have need to go for the sell trade, and when the candle touch to the lower band line, you have need to close your trade. That's very important. Okay, here you got the buy signal, but wait, when you got the signal, where is the candle? Candle is not touching to the lower band line. Candle is almost touching to the lower over upper band line, so we are not interested on this buy trade. Here you got the buy sell signal, but where is the sell signal? Sell signal is not touching to the upper band line, is almost touching to the lower band line, so we are not interested. Here you can see the buy signal and candle is touching to the lower band line, so we are interested and we have need to go for the buy trade and need to close your trade here. Here you can see, go to the buy trade and close your trade. Okay, let's no more trade here, and let me show you. And one more important thing, when there is the blue indicator is completely red and you got the sell signal, that is a perfectly trade. No matter where is the candle, you have need to open your sell trade. Okay, when this is the red area, you have need to open your sell trade. No matter what is the condition, you need to go for the no, sell trade. Okay, let me show you here. This is the sell position. You can see that gives you some awesome profit. You can book your profit here. You book your profit here. Sell position, you can book your profit. Again, here you got the cross signal, that is actually a trades signal. Okay, when the below is red area, you got the sell signal, you need to book your profit here. Again, need to go for the sell trade and you can book your profit here. That is a very simple study. Actually here you can see buy trade, close your trade here, again buy trade, close your trade, again buy trade, close your trade, again buy trade, close your trade, again buy trade and close your trade. Okay, sorry, from this point, here you got the sell signal. So after getting sell signal, you do not need to go for the sell trade, you need to open your buy position from this point. Okay, let me show you more example. Here you got the sell signal, you need to go because the below area is red, so you need to open your trade, close your trade, again sell trade, close your trade. After that you got the buy signal, so you have need to open your only buy positions. Okay, let me show you here, buy trade, buy trade, buy trade, and you can see you got consistent profits. Okay, this is the most profitable strategy ever. This is just my testing MT4. I never use this MT4, and even I deposit few dollars in my MT4 because it is just to show you the results. Okay, my real MT4 I will show you later. I from the last week, from last week, in the last week actually, I profit around $500 by using this indicator. Okay, and I will show you. Okay, if you need that I'm telling true or not, so you can text me on my WhatsApp number or Telegram. I will show you the results. Okay, there is no worry. So let's discuss this one. This is actually a very simple strategy. When you got the signal, you have need to book the profit when you got TP1. That's simple. Okay, and just make sure candle is not touching to the upper band line. Okay, when candle touch to the upper band line and you got the buy signal, that is not a profitable signal. That is very similar to the MT4 system, but it's slightly different. Okay, here you can see buy signal, close your trade and you can book your profit here. Okay, sell trade, you can close your trade here. Okay, buy trade, you can close your trade on TP1 here. You can see, and let's see the previous results here. You can see you can close your trade here, position open, and here you can see the buy position and you can take profit here. Okay, here you can see you got the sell position, or you can close your TP1, TP2 and TP3, so on. Okay, and here you can see another one, and this indicator work on all time frame, on all pairs. Let me show you results in gold, because if you will follow, if you will combine two indicators, then definitely you will get more accurate. Okay, let me show you some wrong trades here. Here you can see, here you got the sell signal, but wait, you can see the you got the signal, but the signal is below from the middle line. Okay, let me show you. This is our middle line. Let me show. Okay, this is middle line. Okay, when you got the signal below from the middle line, you do not need to open your sell position. You need to go only buy position when the candle is below from the middle line, and you need to go for the sell position when you got the signal above from the middle line. That is a very simple strategy. Okay, hopefully you will understand the whole strategy now. It's a very simple, not a difficult one. Even a very beginner who do not know anything about the trading can easily use this indicator, because this indicator will give you the auto stop loss. This red line is your stop loss, this blue line is your entry, and the first take profit is here. You can see this one, the second take profit, and this is your third take profit. Here you can see take profit is done here. Okay, that is a very simple strategy, not a difficult one. Even a very beginner, I told you earlier, very beginner do not know anything, you can use it easily. And one more thing, if we will here, this signal actually, let me show you, this signal is giving you if go to the style and uncheck the check the label, then here you can see you are getting this signal. This indicator will give you a lot of buy sell signal, and if the candles are red and you got the signal, then that is a very profitable signal, remember. Okay, here you can see you got the signal. Let me show you, because here you can see you got the sell signal, and the second indicator give you the sell signal, so that is a very profitable signal, and you need to book the profit when candle touch to the lower band line. Okay, let me show you some more results here. Here you can see after getting buy signal, the second indicator gives you the buy signal, then definitely catch the signal and you will get 100% accuracy. Okay, let me show you some more results here. Here you got after getting the sell signal, the second indicator gave you the sell signal, so that is a very you can say 100% accurate signal, so do not miss that type of signals. Okay, here you can say buy signal and give you some awesome profit here, buy trade, and you can book your profit here. Okay, that is That indicator is giving you accuracy around 76%, but if you will combine two indicators, then definitely you will get accuracy around 90%. Okay, so let's how you can get my indicator. Let me show you. If you need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you the contact details, but how you can add my indicators. Okay, let's discuss. Let me show you how. First go to the my indicators. These are my indicators, and here you will see no repaint. I'll go open the file, control A, copy the file, then go to the Pine editor. Here you need to control A, remove, paste my code, and then click on add to chart. Do not click on update on chart. Okay, you have need to click on add to chart. Your indicator will be okay, and you will see the results will. You can see your account will never be in loss. You will get consistent profit all the time, and you can see 76%, around 80% accuracy. If you will combine two indicator, you are getting around 100% accuracy. Okay, around. Okay, so if you need my indicator, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details. If you need my indicator, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. You can also contact me on my Telegram @ simple hoga one, right, one at the end must, because there are some fake Telegram channels. They make fake, they make my profile picture and whatever. They are using my details. Okay, you have need to be aware and do not join any fake Telegram channel, because I do not have any Telegram channels. Okay, just personal contact me on my Telegram, and Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com if you want to contact me on my Gmail. I give you the all detail, and hopefully you will love it, and must like my video, must subscribe my channel. Any query, any question, you can ask me. For the next video, bye bye, take care. My indicators are paid, not free of cost. Okay, remember, but currently more than 5,000 people are using my indicators. Okay, never receive any complaint from any person. You will love it. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.